If you're looking for a short and simple video on what happened to Silicon Valley Bank, this video is for you. At a financial institution, we don't keep our account holders' deposits in one place. Instead, there's a few things we do. Number one, some of those deposits are tied up in loans, maybe funding your neighbor's mortgage or that auto loan that you got approved last week. Bucket two is cash, also known as liquidity. This is funds that we have easily available through different accounts to fund new loans that come in the door and everyday spending needs. This also could be if you want to pay cash for a large purchase. That comes from this liquidity bucket. The third bucket is investments. We want to earn a little bang for our savings dollars, and we do that through safe and sound investments, and we ensure the portfolio is diversified to prepare for different market conditions. Now, this is where Silicon Valley Bank made a mistake. Silicon Valley Bank's account holders, who happen to be fintechs, startups, technology companies, they needed access to their deposits to pay for things like payroll, building expenses, and everyday business needs. So Silicon Valley Bank looked in their liquidity bucket. Their liquidity bucket didn't have enough to cover those deposits, and they had to go and sell some of their investments. Now pause. This is extremely normal, but what wasn't normal is in their investment bucket, they didn't have a diversified portfolio. Instead, they put all of their eggs into one basket. So when they had to access their investments, they only had one option and they had to sell at a loss. Now, this news spread like wildfire. And while this was happening, a cryptocurrency bank also closed. And that caused panic, which ultimately led to a bank run. A bank run is when account holders all go to the financial institution at one time to withdraw their funds. And that's exactly what happened here. Account holders went to Silicon Valley Bank. Silicon Valley Bank gave back deposits. Their accounts slowly dropped to zero and then negative, which ultimately brought the government and FDIC involved, closing that bank. Now, I want to pause here and end this video noting that there are a lot of other factors to be talked about. Things like risk management, their leadership team, changing interest rates in the market. But what's really, really important is that you as a City and County Credit Union member know that your deposits and your accounts here at City and County Credit Union have nothing to do with Silicon Valley Bank, and your deposits are safe and secure. And we're going to talk more about that in the next coming videos.